I meet a lot of people whom I feel are there in their 30s and they are not interested in going to work tomorrow. They are highly demotivated, not interested, very uncomfortable, lazy, lethargic, laid back, whatever you want to use as an English term, but they probably don't want to go to work. Then why do they go to work still? Even if they don't want to go to work, why do they go to work? They go to work because A, they have family responsibility, and B, they have home loans or any type of loans, right? So finance, if you look at it, is probably the number one reason why you are going to your work, even if you don't like it. So, of course, most of us coming from a middle class background have chosen certain professions because it is going to pay us good money, right? So when you were in college, most of us thought that, okay, getting into IT or getting into a computer related job or getting into a software job will pay us good money and that's what we need, right? We never thought that, okay, whether I will become a good software engineer or not, whether I will become a good analyst or not. It is only with time that you figure that out. And initially, in the first 10 years, we have a lot of energy, enthusiasm. We also have to build our own family. So all of those factors are there and we want to make money, right? So the first 10, 15 years is that process. You also want to go to other countries and stuff like that. So 10, 15 years is all good. You are motivated. But after that, instead of wanting to make money, you have to make money. Again, I told you the reasons. Family responsibility plus loans mostly. And there's nothing wrong in making money, right? So what I'm trying to arrive at is, given a chance, would you do this job? Given a chance, would you do this role? If the answer is no, then you need to ask why. That why can probably be two things. One is because you don't like the ecosystem. You don't want to go to work because you don't like the people, you don't like your manager, you don't like your client, the ecosystem, right? If that is the reason, then please change the ecosystem. And when I say that, it does not mean that go and change your job tomorrow. What I mean is figure out another role within the same company, maybe within probably a different group or a different account. If not immediately, then in the long run. But please identify that that is causing your discomfort, that is causing your stress level, that is causing your disinterest, lethargy, whatever you want to call it. If ecosystem is not helping you stay motivated enough, then please change the ecosystem in due course of time when the time is right. Second is, in your 30s, if you realize that you will have to drag yourself at this job for the next 10 years, of course, for money, which is absolutely fine. But if you have associated that word drag, that I will need to somehow continue this job for 10 years, then my dear friends, in your 30s itself, you need to figure out a way of doing something which you like. Now, this is something which can be your hobby, which can be a very small thing, or it can be something which you want to do as a business, as an individual contributor, whatever it is, it should be of your interest. And I'm not saying, okay, find your passion. Okay, passion is probably a very big word and something which is very fancy. In simple words, what would make you happy? If you're not doing this job, what else would make you happy? Please identify that while still you are in your 30s, because this problem of disinterest or lethargy or discomfort is going to grow because you are in a job where you don't like to do what you do. Okay, so if you don't like to become a developer, if you don't like to code, or if you don't like to be a project manager and carry those responsibilities, then what do you like? It can be some hobby, it can be some small business that you can run, it can be maybe become a freelancer. Again, all these things are easier said than done, which means I'm saying this, but that does not mean that from tomorrow you'll be able to do it. Nothing is easy, right? So all said and done, you need to identify that there is a problem. You need to identify that there is possibly solution A, solution B, or solution C for this, and it can be achieved in X number of years. So you will have to take out time from your busy schedule. Nobody has a time, including you, me, Prime Minister Modi, or anybody. We don't have time, but we have to squeeze in that time, and then we need to do what we like to do or what we want to do every single day. That is how you build a parallel thing along with your job. Okay, now there will be so many people who will say, I can't do something with my job, my company does not allow me. There can be so many reasons why you can't do. You have to figure out one reason why you have to do it and how you will make it happen. There can be 10,000 reasons why that is not possible, but there is only one reason why that can be done, why you will do it. Find out that one reason. Because if you don't do it now, the sooner you do it, the better it is. Because otherwise, it's going to be a drag towards your 40s. And I'm using the word drag because if you are going to work with disinterest, then that is drag. Okay. So it is better that rather than having a drag for 10 years, have something in parallel for 10 years. And after 10 years, see how that something in parallel can probably give you happiness. Maybe not a lot of money, but happiness. Or maybe it can just become another job, part-time job, side hustle, another business, whatever, right? So try that. That's what I feel about this topic. Let me know what you think about it in comments, honest comments. If you liked the video, hit the like button, share it in your WhatsApp groups, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you in another video soon. Take care. Bye for now.